AutoCAD remains a demanding, precision-focused design tool that benefits from strong CPU performance, ample RAM, fast storage, and a reliable display. For students, professionals, and makers, choosing a laptop that balances CPU-GPU capability, memory, and endurance without overspending is essential.
List number 1. 15.6-inch laptop computer, quad-core N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz laptop PC, 16 GB DDR4, 512 GB SSD. St. Dice ANL5 is a feature-rich, budget-conscious option that pairs a 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a fast 512 GB SSD in a 15.6-inch chassis. The inclusion of Touch ID alongside a 16:10 15.6-inch display with 1080p resolution and a 93% screen-to-body ratio aims to deliver a comfortable drafting environment and efficient multitasking. Despite DOS as the operating system in the spec sheet, the hardware platform is capable of supporting Windows 11 with the appropriate license, providing a practical upgrade path for AutoCAD users who need a capable machine without breaking the bank. The device also emphasizes expandability, with up to a 1 TB SSD upgrade option and multiple USB 3.0 ports for peripherals. In practice, the N95 base configuration delivers respectable general performance for AutoCAD 2D drafting and light 3D work, with the 16 GB RAM helping to keep multiple AutoCAD layouts and related tools loaded concurrently. The 512 GB SSD provides snappy boot and load times, though sustained 3D modeling can tax the integrated UHD graphics, and the 3.4 GHz turbo may throttle under heavy loads due to thermals. The 3.3-pound weight and 0.78-inch profile aid portability, but battery life is listed around 3 hours, which restricts long drafting sessions away from a power source. For budget-conscious CAD users, this model offers a compelling combination of capacity and expandability, provided you manage expectations around GPU and battery endurance.
List number 2. Dell Inspiron 15 3530 touchscreen laptop. Intel 10-core i5 1334U, Beat i7 1250U, 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Win 11, Ethernet RJ45, long battery life with WOWPC USB. Dell's Inspiron 15 3530 is a high-value workstation-like option that promises substantial multi-core performance with a 13th Gen i5 and 16 GB RAM, plus a very large 1 TB PCIe SSD and a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare touchscreen. The system is positioned as a robust AutoCAD-capable machine with strong multitasking, fast storage, and broad I/O, including modern USB-C and Wi-Fi 6. The inclusion of a touchscreen can aid CAD workflows that benefit from pinching to zoom and on-screen navigation, though precise CAD drawing typically benefits from a non-glossy panel for reduced reflections during long sessions. Performance-wise, the i5 1334U with 16 GB RAM and NVMe SSD delivers responsive handling of AutoCAD, large drawings, and multitasking across many browser tabs and software tools. The 178-degree viewing angle and 100% sRGB in theory provide accurate color, beneficial for presentation or client reviews. Battery life is rated at up to 10 hours, but real-world CAD workloads often reduce this, especially with the touchscreen and high refresh usage. This model excels for power users who require ample RAM and fast storage and can tolerate the heavier weight, around 5 pounds, and the potential need for a dedicated GPU if you push 3D modeling further.
List number 3. Bigasuo 16-inch laptop computer. Bigasuo K160 pairs a 16-inch IPS display with a surprisingly capable N100 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. The larger display footprint and higher resolution, 1200p, can improve clarity for detailed AutoCAD work and offer more screen real estate for complex layouts and palettes. The machine ships with Windows 11 and a broad port set, Type-C, USB 3.0, Mini HDMI, RJ45, which is attractive for CAD users who connect external displays or projectors often. Build weight around 3.35 pounds keeps it portable for a 16-inch chassis. From a performance perspective, the N100 is a step above the Celeron N95 options in multi-threaded handling and integrated graphics uplift, making this a more capable CAD companion for 2D drafting and moderate 3D tasks. The 16GB RAM helps with large AutoCAD files, and the 1TB SSD ensures ample project libraries and datasets. However, the CPU is still integrated graphics based, which will limit more demanding 3D modeling or rendering. The 16-inch panel with 1920 by 1200 resolution provides crisp text and UI, but color accuracy and brightness details depend on panel quality not fully specified here.
List number 4. Munbin Rugged Laptop IRX16. Munbin IRX16 is a rugged, industrial-grade workstation designed for harsh environments while still delivering modern Windows 11 Pro and a capable i5-1235U with 16GB DDR5 and 512GB SSD. The standout features include a 1000 nits sunlight-readable display, IP65 weatherproofing, MIL STD 810H compliance, and a replaceable SSD. This makes it attractive for fieldwork, construction sites, or labs where durability, visibility in bright light, and data security matter as much as raw CAD performance. In practice, the IRX16 delivers solid productivity for AutoCAD tasks in challenging environments. The DDR5 memory, faster internal data paths, and 16GB RAM support smoother multitasking and more responsive file handling. The 1000 nit display and rugged chassis improve usability outdoors, but the heavier build and potential thermals under sustained 3D workloads can temper peak performance. The combination of Windows 11 Pro and a robust security feature set, including a physical camera switch, adds value for professionals who work on sensitive projects away from a controlled office.
List number 5. HP 14 Laptop. HP's entry-level HP 14 is a compact, portable option that emphasizes value and portability over raw CAD performance. The Celeron N4020, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage are paired with a 14-inch HD display and Windows 11 Home, S Mode in some SKUs. This is best viewed as a light 2D drafting companion, or for basic AutoCAD tasks in non-intensive environments, perfect for students or occasional use scenarios where mobility and price trump peak performance. In real-world use, the HP 14 will feel stretched for AutoCAD projects that involve large drawings, multiple layers, or 3D work. The 4GB RAM will be a bottleneck with modern multitasking and CAD memory demands, and 64GB storage can quickly fill with project files. The device benefits from an ultra-portable footprint and generous battery life for casual work, but you should expect slower application launches and potential slowdowns with larger files. If your CAD work is light, or you primarily need a portable note-taking rig, this is a budget-friendly gateway device.